our site. No hiking required for the falls. That'll be nice. We're at our campsite in Tahquamenon Falls. We're in the Lower Falls campground. We're getting dinner prepared. Let me show you what the site looks like. Seems to be a quiet campground. More than half full. Boys are out here doing some drawing and things. Power was pretty far from us. Had to back the trailer way up on this site to get to our power pedestal, which is back over there off the other site. So I'm gonna pull the grill out. We're doing steak and potatoes and spinach tonight, boys. Spinach. Yeah. And after we eat, we're gonna go out and take a look at the falls. We're really close to the Lower Falls. Owen, will you go work at getting that propane tank back out for me? Yes.
Want to come here for a sec? Shopping and put some stuff in the freezer, and we're starting to clean some stuff out, but I realized as I was cleaning it out that we see our freezer, that it's starting to get a little frosty back there. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna scrape that out. And how long has it been that we've been on the road?
About 15 days.
15 days. So probably because we pack it so much. But everything's frozen, solid. But I think I need to clean some of that out. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm open to suggestions if anybody can give me some pointers on that. But all I'm going to do is just take a spatula and just kind of scrape that out. It's a little loose. It's not real hard or anything. So just scrape that out. That's it. Snowing, which will be here pretty soon in the Upper Peninsula. There you have it. Good enough. What you do with the leftovers when you're done.
Oh, Jesus. What is that?
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Stop.
We just finished dinner and we're now headed out to see the falls. We are only here one night, so we have to kind of jam everything in. We're off to the Upper Falls. You know, this is the way these trips, they kind of have a flow to them, and sometimes you have a string of days where you're cramming too much in, and then you get a string of days where you can relax. And let me follow this sign. Directions to Upper Falls. Turn left on 123. All right, Ethan, where are we?
We're at the Upper Falls viewing area.
What falls?
It starts with a T.
So we're on about a third of a mile paved trail that goes out to the Upper Falls. The only thing I've really taken note of so far is that it's been downhill. You know what that means, Owen?
Uphill on the way back.
But it's been
And my head's out of the shot.
You're gonna have some
Hey.
fun on the way back.
Yellow bird. Yellow bird. Also, right at the entry to this little trail, in a big glass case, is a stuffed mountain lion. Hard for the camera to see, but if y'all can't see it, there's a chipmunk at the base of that tree. This is the longest 3rd mile I've ever been on.
This might be bigger than what's it called?
Cumberland.
Cumberland Falls.
Yeah, I think so.
Whoa.
That's pretty. Wow. Look at that.
See that, folks? It's just for you. The first thing that's questionable is that trail being a 1/3 of a mile. I'm doubtful that was a 1/3 of a mile. Second thing that they don't tell you in the first sign, they don't tell you till you're a 1/3 of a mile into the trail. There's 98 steps to get down here to the brink. Now, so I don't sound like a complainer, is it worth it? Yeah, I would say it is. And I know what you're thinking. Well, Tony, you were just at Cumberland Falls, the Niagara of the South in Kentucky. How does this compare to Cumberland Falls? So Cumberland Falls, Tahquamenon Falls in the UP, hands down Tahquamenon Falls. Size is not the whole thing. I think maybe the other one falls a little further. The setting here is spectacular. The setting is spectacular. The upper and lower falls are about 4 miles apart from each other, so we're now at the lower falls, and it's supposed to be a much shorter hike.
Oh, look how pretty. Oh my. Oh, wow.
Why didn't we go here?
This is beautiful. Is that a swimming area or something?
Not sure. No, boating. Boating.
Boating?
Now the lower falls show exactly what I try to explain to people when they ask what our favorite park is. You really can't have a favorite. Every place has its own unique character, and these falls, the lower falls, are by far not the tallest or widest, but the scene here is spectacular. It's spectacular.
You hear something over there? Getting away from the mosquitoes and the horseflies.
They're worse here than they were down there.
Yeah.
Wait, did it say $40 per person?
No, it's... Alright, well, one thing has proven to be true. The mosquitoes in the UP will chase you right away from the sites.
Yep.